Hello students, welcome to your EVS revision classes. Students, in previous classes we have revised chapter 5, 6 and 7. In this class we will revise chapter 8, that is jobs people do, chapter 9, travel and communication, and chapter 10, that is our safety. Okay? So let's start with the chapter 8, jobs people do. So, first we will talk about a doctor. A doctor treats the sick and injured people. Okay? Next is a nurse. A nurse looks after the sick and injured people. Next, grocer. A grocer sells things like pulses, oil, sugar, etc. ठीक है, जो हम अपनी डेली लाइफ में यूज़ करते हैं किचन में, वो हम कहाँ से लेके आते हैं? ग्रोसर के यहाँ से, ग्रोसर्स shop. Okay, next is fruiterer. A fruiterer sells fruits. Next, a greengrocer. A greengrocer sells fruits and vegetables both. Okay, जब जो ग्रीन ग्रोसर्स होते हैं सब्जी वाले, उनके यहाँ फ्रूट्स भी मिलते हैं, वेजिटेबल्स भी मिलते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज अ बेकर. अ बेकर सेल्स ब्रेड्स, केक्स एंड बन्स. ठीक है, बेकर क्या करते हैं? They sells and bakes cakes, breads and buns. Next is a tailor stitches our clothes. A tailor stitches our clothes. Next, pharmacist. What is the work of pharmacist? They sell medicines. Okay? Students, there is difference between chemist and pharmacist. Pharmacist sales, जो pharmacist होते हैं वो मेडिसिन को बेचते हैं. एंड व्हाट इज़ द वर्क ऑफ केमिस्ट? नेक्स्ट इज केमिस्ट. दे डू एक्सपेरिमेंट्स विथ केमिकल्स. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज कॉबलर. अ कॉबलर मेंड्स आवर शूज. अ कारपेंटर मेक्स एंड रिपेयर्स फर्नीचर्स. एन इलेक्ट्रीशियन repairs electrical things. A cleaner cleans the roads and streets. A plumber repairs the leaking taps and pipes. Okay. Now, next is pilot. A pilot flies in aeroplanes and helicopters. Okay. A driver drives cars, taxis, buses and auto rickshaws. Okay. Engine drivers. Engine driver drives trains. A boatman sails and or rows the boats. ठीक है, सेल्स मतलब भी होता है, सेल मतलब चलाना, बोट को चलाना, जो पानी के ऊपर तैरती है उसको सेल कहते हैं, बोट को. ठीक है, या फिर उसको रोज भी कहते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज अ सोल्जर. अ सोल्जर कीप्स आवर कंट्री सेफ. पुलिस पर्सोना. Policemen or women keep our cities and house safe. Okay. Firefighter. Firefighter puts out the fire. Okay. Next, a potter. A potter makes pots and other items of clay. मिट्टी के जो आइटम बनाते हैं. An artist. An artist makes wall paintings. वॉल पेंटिंग्स नहीं, मतलब और भी पेंटिंग्स जो होते हैं. आर्टिस्ट क्या बेसिकली बनाते हैं बेटा? पेंटिंग्स बनाते हैं. ओके. अ स्कल्पचर. अ स्कल्पचर मेक्स ब्यूटिफुल स्टैचूज विथ द हेल्प ऑफ स्टोन्स. ठीक है, ये स्टोन्स को कट करते हैं और उससे ब्यूटिफुल स्टैचूज बनाते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज फ्लोरिस्ट. अ फ्लोरिस्ट मेक्स ब्यूटिफुल बुकेट्स. ठीक है. Now moving towards next chapter, chapter 9, that is travel and communication. So students, my question for you is that what do you mean by traveling? Okay, सबसे पहले हमको ये जानने की ज़रूरत है कि ट्रैवल मतलब क्या होता है, ट्रैवलिंग का मतलब क्या होता है. सो मूविंग फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर, स्पेशली ओवर लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस, इज कॉल्ड ट्रैवलिंग. ओके, एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाना जो कि थोड़ी दूरी पर हो. ओके, तो हम उसको ट्रैवलिंग कहते हैं. Okay, now we will talk about different modes of transport. Okay, but let me tell you that
what do you mean by different modes of transport? Okay, so the ways which we use for traveling or transportation are called modes of transport. Okay, so I have written here three different modes: land transport, water transport, and air transport. I have given example. For land transport, we use car, bus, truck, etc. For water, we use yacht, boat, ship, etc. Okay. For air, we use aeroplane, helicopter, etc. So these are three different modes of transport. Okay, now we will talk about means of transport. What do you mean by means of transport? Vehicles which we use for traveling are called means of transport. Okay, so let me elaborate it, that vehicles that we use for ट्रैवलिंग इन डिफरेंट मोड्स, ठीक है, जैसे अलग अलग मोड्स में ट्रैवल करने के लिए जो व्हीकल्स का हम यूज़ करते हैं, जैसे कि लैंड पे ट्रैवल करने के लिए वी यूज़ कार, बस, ट्रेन, ट्रक एट्सेट्रा. ओके, एयर में ट्रैवल करने के लिए वी यूज़ एरोप्लेन, हेलीकॉप्टर एट्सेट्रा. एंड वाटर के लिए वी यूज़ याच, शिप, बोट एट्सेट्रा. ठीक है, तो जो व्हीकल्स होते हैं दे आर नोन एज मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट. ओके, नाउ we will talk about communication. What is communication? Okay, sharing of thoughts or ideas with each other is called communication. When we share our ideas, our thoughts, our views with another person, then we are communicating with them. Okay, हम उनसे communicate करते हैं. Okay, so we can share our ideas by writing, by talking face to face, or by sign language also, by speaking, writing, and by using sign language also. Okay, so here I have written some means of communication. हम कैसे communicate कर सकते हैं? So we can write letter, we can use mobile phones, we can use emails. ठीक है, we can write emails, we can read newspapers. Newspapers क्या होते हैं? जो वर्ल्ड वाइड हमको न्यूज़ देते हैं. ओके, हमारे शहर के बारे में, हमारे देश के बारे में और पूरे वर्ल्ड के बारे में. We can use radio also. Okay, so here these I have written 5 means of communication. There are many more. So this is all about this chapter. Now we will move towards chapter 10, that is our safety.
Safety rules inside the house. By following some safety rules inside the house, we can keep ourselves safe from accidents. Don'ts. What we should not do. Do not open the door to any stranger. Stranger means the person you do not know. So never open the door for any stranger. Always call your parents or grandparents for opening the door if you are not knowing the person. Do not accept anything from a stranger. You should never accept chocolates or anything, chips, anything from any stranger. Do not touch any hot cooking pot. Do not touch any electrical gadget. Electrical gadget means the object which work on electricity. Do not handle sharp or pointed objects. Don't be careless with glass objects. Always handle glass objects with care. Do not touch plugs or any electrical wires. Do not lean from the balcony. It is dangerous. Do's. What we should do. If you notice any fire in the house, inform an older person in the house. If you notice any stranger near your house, always tell an older person in the house. If you or your sibling is hurt, always inform an older person in the house. Inform your mother, your grandparents, your father, anyone who is elder than you. If you smell something strange in the house, always call an older person in the house. By following these rules, you can keep yourself safe from the accidents. Now students, you have heard a new word older in this chapter. Let me tell you difference between older and elder. We use older for both living things and non-living things. Living things means जिन चीज़ों में जान होती है, जो जीवित होती हैं, and non-living things means जिन चीज़ों में जान नहीं होती है. So we use older for both living and non-living things.
For example, my sister is older to me.
It is my older car. So in the examples, you can see that we are using older for both living, for sister is the living thing, and car is the non-living thing. Now, elder. We use elder only for living things. For example, she is my elder sister. Okay? So I hope you have understood the concept of older and elder. Safety rules outside the house. Don'ts. We should not play on the road. We should not run on the road. It may cause accident. We should not fight with our friends or siblings. If you see any strange thing anywhere, do not touch it or pick it. Do not tease animals like dogs or cats in the street. Do not lean out from the moving vehicle. Do not disturb a bus driver while he is driving.
Do not get onto or get off from a moving vehicle.
Do's. Always go out of the house with an older person. Always walk on footpath. Use zebra crossing while crossing the road. Do this only when the traffic has stopped completely. Go to a swimming pool only with an adult. Play in the park with friends under the supervision of an older person. If you feel scared of a stranger, inform an adult. Tell your mother, your father, or anyone who is elder than you. Always wear a seat belt while traveling in a car. If you feel scared of anyone in the school or in the school bus, inform your parents or your teacher. By following these safety rules, you can keep yourself safe from the accidents. We can help ourselves and others if we know some first aid tips. First aid is a help given to a sick or injured person before a doctor or an ambulance arrives. A first aid box contains clean cotton, antiseptics, ointments, bandages, a pair of scissors, and some painkillers. They are kept in homes, classrooms, buses, cars, trains, etc. because accident may happen anywhere. If you or your friend is hurt, you should call an adult to give the first aid. Now students, I will tell you some emergency phone numbers. When there is an emergency, you may call on these numbers for help. First number is Police Control Room 112. Ambulance 102. Children's Helpline 1098. Fire Station 101. Please learn all these numbers because it may
help you in emergency.
Thank you and be safe.